all of you. First, let us give a big hand to Zinnia. She has secured rank 156 in civil services, and she was just sitting in your class probably right now. ठीक है? So अभी तक कल मैं I think कल ही था ना 8 AM I was there in the class. थोड़ी सी परेशान थी कि सर आज रिजल्ट कभी भी आ सकता है. And just few hours later, इसका मैसेज आया कि सर I've gotten 156 rank. थोड़ा परेशान थी कि मेरा इंटरव्यू थोड़ा ठीक नहीं रहा है. But very happy for you and many congratulations. So Zinnia, briefly tell about yourself. क्या लगता है पहले तो फोरम IAS कैसे आए?
Close friend of mine had recommended your channel, sir, and he sent me a video of yours probably after my prelims failure in 23, and that's when I started following you religiously. So I was a bit too late for SFG1, but SFG2 अच्छे से when you said follow routine, follow procedure, I started following that. And after that, I joined FRC. That is how you got.
So let us give her a big hand. She's our student from Forum Residential Coaching. So how was your experience at the residential coaching? What worked for you? You were one of the most diligent students there. What worked for you?
So I think the 𝐼𝐸 program was the consistency that it brought in, the routine of every day in the morning going and writing those 7 questions. Some days were in doldrums because marks nahi aate the, but when marks used to come, you would be jubilant and then work harder later on. But I think looking at everybody around and that competitive structure and environment that it provided, I think for the first 1.5 months that really stretched me out. My friends would be a testament to it because I used to run around, कि इसमें marks नहीं आए and how to improve, and then going to the faculty, reaching out to others over there. So I think the community and the friendships, most importantly, that it provided. In fact, some of them might turn out to be lifetime, friendships. So I think that is what I gained from FRC the most part.
What is the one mistake that you think you made in your previous attempt which you did not make in the 2024 attempt? मतलब एक common mistake है ना, when we start to prepare for civil services, then initial 1 or 2 attempts people miss out because they have no idea, and then I'm sure when you'd be doing SFG and in the residential coaching, when you'd see the competition, then समझ में आता है कि करना क्या है या था, है ना? So what are some of the mistakes that beginners or make? You can come see here. Instructions, right?
So I think when the mark sheet comes out, I would be better poised to structure the answer better. But I think
no, for the prelims, as in for the prelims.
The previous year questions were something I did not touch in 2023, and since I was in job at that point in time, maybe I did not have sufficient time. So after having set everything aside and chosen one boat to step on, I think the consistency, the routine, the consistent juggling of ideas with my friends on how to solve this question, the logic to crack another question, etc. And then just going at it as wildly as possible, and then just immersing myself completely in it. I think those were the 2-3 things that I changed in this attempt, and thankfully by God's grace, I cracked it.
So I asked this question to everyone. So generally there are 1 or 2 qualities that we have. Sometimes we are aware about them, sometimes we are not. But so these are the qualities which sometimes help us become a little successful than our peers. So 1 or 2 qualities which you think you have that has helped you, or I would say that has made it easier for you to succeed, which comes naturally to you, but maybe. So what are 1 or 2 qualities that you think you have?
So I think I'll quote you on this. The first one being communication. I think you impressed upon it very vividly during the interview interactions as well. The second is something that my mom points out, which is religiosity. I will crib about it. I will be, as I mentioned, wildly at it, even if it stresses me out. But I will not leave it until it's done. My mom is the one who I take that from, so I think those 2 perhaps would be the ones.
All right. Anything else that you'd want to share to the students who are writing the prelims right now, or to a former self of yours? What message would you give?
Don't give up, because it's very easy to look at those marks dropping. I remember in my mock exams back last year at this point of time, my marks started dropping a bit, and then I started stressing out, and then there was also a point where I thought, maybe things have not been done rightly across the year. And I think again my mom was the one, and a few of my friends who showed me the path, saying that give it your all, 1 month is left, and that 1 month can make it, or you can make it or fake it. So not sleeping at this point of time, which you also impress upon a lot of teachers do. and just giving it your all in the next 30 days. I think that could be a differentiator of sorts.
So I and Sakshi ma'am try to help with ethics. कुछ फायदा हुआ था उससे? Paper 4.
Ma'am and I, more than ethics, I think we had more life lesson exchanges once or twice. But yes, sir, I used to attend your ethics classes, and I've taken them in 23 as well. I will say that I've managed half of them. The other half were left for post pre-clearance because I wasn't sure of pre. But yes, I think the structure and the framing, again, the environment it provides, it's more of a holistic understanding of ethics in general. Again, I'm not sure how I fared in ethics, but I guess those were the few things that I gained from your classes and ma'am's structured guidance for case studies.
Wonderful, wonderful. Anything else, Aman sir or Sakshi ma'am? Anything you want to ask?
Did you celebrate or did you not celebrate? I did this. Yes, went around yesterday. I need to see less stressed out now. So always see you stressed. No, not stressed. Yes. During the bell?
No. So now it's time to ring the bell as many times as you can.
I mean,
ठीक है?
once for now, twice maybe later. Thank you so much.
So can we have? You can have your cake today and eat it too from our forum residential coaching. Very thanks a lot for working so hard and
Thank you.
you know, huh?
Thank you so much.
Chalo, this is for you.